Today, I'm going to show you how to add your DropInBlog to your Thinkific site. As you can see, I'm already on my Thinkific page, and I will select Design Your Site on the left-hand side, and then Site Builder. Once that loads, you'll select Custom Pages at the bottom, and then Add Custom Page. I'm just going to title mine Blog for now, and then hit Add. Perfect. Under Add section, we'll select the drop-down arrow, and you'll scroll all the way down under DropInBlog and select Blog. Perfect. So that will load, and it is automatically synced up. We can see that it already is here on our Thinkific site. And these are just some example posts that we have in here, so you can get a feel for what your own blog posts will look like on Thinkific. Once you have your posts uploaded, you can go ahead and delete these example posts since you won't need them. And the last step is to just head to the bottom and select Save. And you have successfully integrated your DropInBlog to your Thinkific site. Happy blogging!